Toronto is the largest city and financial centre in Canada, and is the capital of the Canadian province of Ontario. 7, with an estimated population of 2,731,571 in 2016. It is the fourth most populous city in North America after Mexico City, New York City, and Los Angeles. Toronto is the largest city in the Greater Toronto Area, the most populous metropolitan area in Canada, an anchor of the Golden Horseshoe, an urbanized region in Ontario that is home to an estimated 9.2 million people, 9 or over 26% of Canada's population. 10. A global city. 11. Toronto is an international center for business, finance, arts, culture, quality of life and security. 12. 13. In 2017, Toronto was considered by The Economist fourth best city in the world to live in. 14. And one of the safest cities in Canada and the Americas. 15. The city is located in the southern region of the province of Ontario, on the northwestern shore of Lake Ontario, on a broad, sloping plateau interspersed with rivers, deep ravines, and urban forests. 16. Indigenous peoples have traveled and inhabited the area for over 10,000 years. 17. After the Toronto Purchase, the First Nations surrendered the area to the British Crown. The British established the town of York in 1793, and later designated it as the capital of Upper Canada. 18. During the War of 1812, the city was the site of the Battle of York and suffered extensive damage by United States troops. 19. York was renamed and incorporated as the City of Toronto in 1834, and became the capital of the province of Ontario during Canadian Confederation in 1867. 20. The city has since expanded its original boundaries through annexations and amalgamations to its current area of 630 square kilometers. 21. 22. Toronto is one of the most multicultural and cosmopolitan cities in the world. 23. 24. 25. 26. Toronto's diverse population reflects its current and historical role as a major destination for immigrants to Canada. 27. 28. With nearly 50% of residents belonging to a visible minority population group. 29. And over 200 distinct ethnic origins represented among its inhabitants. 30. While the majority of Torontonians speak English as their primary language, there are over 160 different languages spoken in the city. 31. Toronto is a prominent center for music. 32. The theater. 33. Film and television production. 34. And is home to the headquarters of Canada's major national broadcast networks and media outlets. 35. The city's diverse cultural institutions, which include numerous museums and galleries, festivals and public events, entertainment districts, national historic sites, and sporting activities, attract over 25 million tourists annually. 36. 37. Toronto is known for its skyscrapers and tall buildings, in particular the tallest structure in the Western Hemisphere, the CN Tower. 38. The city is home to the Toronto Stock Exchange, is the headquarters of Canada's 5 largest banks, and is home to major Canadian and multinational corporations. Its economy is highly diversified, with strengths in technology, design, financial services, life sciences, education, the arts, fashion, business services, environmental innovation, food services, and tourism. Toronto, the capital city of the Canadian province of Ontario, is a vibrant and diverse metropolis renowned for its cultural richness and economic dynamism. As Canada's most populous city, Toronto boasts a skyline dominated by the iconic CN Tower and is a hub for finance, technology, and arts. The city is celebrated for its multiculturalism, with over half of its residents born outside of Canada, contributing to a rich tapestry of languages, cuisines, and traditions. Toronto's neighborhoods, such as Kensington Market, Distillery District, and Queen Street West, offer a unique blend of historic charm and modern flair. The city is also home to world-class institutions like the University of Toronto and the Royal Ontario Museum, as well as hosting international events like the Toronto International Film Festival. With its diverse attractions and welcoming community, Toronto is a dynamic city that offers something for everyone.